If you have creative little ones at home, or you're like me and you have creative little nieces, coloring with them is one of the most fun things you can do. Plus, it keeps them quiet. A true win. Which is why we're gonna do a quick review on the Yisan 36 dual brush marker pen set. This set right here comes in under $10 on Amazon. Let's go over it so that way you can decide if it's worth your money. These markers are dual tip pens. One side has a thick and soft felt brush tip for shading and coloring, and the other side has a fine 0.4 millimeter tip for outlining and sketching. Both sides give consistent flow and color. And speaking of color, you get 36 vibrant colors, perfect for bullet journaling, note-taking, drawing, sketching, and lettering, or like what I said earlier, coloring with my nieces. The ink is water-based, so it's washable and it's non-toxic, making it safe for beginners and kids. Now, in no way are these professional markers. They do have some issues with colors bleeding from the darker hues, and they will change color when you stack colors on top of them. If you're on the hunt for a cheap marker set, I think you found it. This is perfect for kids, young ones, and beginners out there. It comes in under $10. Heck, even sometimes you can score it for under $8 on Amazon. I did you a favor and put a link down in the video description below that'll take you right to it. It's an affiliate link that helps support my channel, so thank you very much. Now, if you have kids or young ones out there that want to get into something like painting, then I recommend you take a look at the video over to my side, which goes over the Bob Ross 4 Kids paint set. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.